It's that time again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. With us today, we have Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Great to see you both.
It's good to be back.
Nice to have him back.
Yeah.
I know, you were just
Very
vacationing,
exciting.
traveling, living the life.
I was in trial and then had to go to a convention, so
okay.
it's been busy. It's been busy.
So it
but
sounded
good to be
more
back.
fun
Good
than
to,
it probably was.
Yeah, not so much. Good to be back here.
All right, well, while you've been away, we have a lot of questions to answer. So the first one comes from Lisa. She says, first of all, I love the show. I see there is a, yeah, great. We love that, Lisa. Thanks for watching. So I see there is a lot of debate coming out of Harrisburg about venue and medical malpractice cases. Can you explain it to me?
Yes.
And she continues on with more questions. So what's the scoop here?
So here's what's going on. You know, a number of years ago, almost, 18 years ago, was it?
2003, I think.
2003, so 15 years ago, they put a rule in place which said in a malpractice case, you have to sue where the hospital is.
Okay.
Which is different. Hospitals are treated different than any other person, any other corporation. They really carved out, this was the insurance industry, the lobbying arm behind that really carved this out for the hospitals. Now, fast forward to 2018, there's no reason that hospitals should be treated any differently than any other company or any other human being. And really, what's going on? The reality is that the insurance industry, they don't want this to be put into place. So we just want the hospitals to be treated the same.
Well, and I think that she mentions that in her question. She says, why are they being treated differently? And they shouldn't be. I think the thing is, people, the courts have really balanced this out. The medical malpractice issues that existed in 2003 are no longer present. And it's funny, we actually keep a track on this, but you're seeing that the premiums for medical malpractice insurance have increased, and yet they have stayed the same, but the claims have dropped, and the insurance company's profits are rising. So it's like, there's no reason that this venue even needs to apply at this point.
And, here's the really shocking and alarming thing is that the number of instances of malpractice and people dying as a result of preventable medical errors has not decreased. So, that has not decreased. So, when you talk about, malpractice, it's really, there is a crisis. It's a crisis of people being harmed and injured and families being torn apart as a result of preventable medical error. So that's the real crisis. And this venue rule, they should just be treated like everybody else.
Right. And if you need some legal help, call the guys, find them online, and don't forget Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Head to PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline.